All right, so the next step in my morning routine after I floss, scrape my tongue, take a cold shower is I put some Restore on. So Restore is the first topical skincare solution that will naturally clean and clear your skin in one step. It's gonna safely clear acne, blemishes, dry, and all these skin problems. So since I don't have a tripod yet, I wanted to show you my strength gains because I don't work out at all. All I do is fast for 23 hours every single day, and that's what allows me to not only have clear, healthy, and beautiful looking skin, but have almost a six-pack without doing anything. Anyways, just wanted to show you how I use Restore. Normally, you want to use this with a cotton pad. Each bottle is a 60-day supply. It's made with organic apple cider vinegar, organic aloe vera juice, organic rose water, tea tree, lavender, lemongrass, and I think cedarwood essential oils. So normally you want to use cotton pad, but because I basically have an unlimited supply and can make this whenever, I pour a tiny bit in my hand and simply just wipe it on my face. It smells amazing. It's natural. There's no fragrances, there's no preservatives because apple cider vinegar is a natural preservative. I even use it on my scalp and as deodorant. You can use it for mosquito bites. I got my second bottle right here that I use for my scalp. It has a little bit less apple cider vinegar because you can use apple cider vinegar as a natural hair wash. I used to have a ponytail and really long hair, and I would always pour glasses of apple cider vinegar on my hair because it would not only clean it, it would also leave it feeling soft and smooth. But after you use Restore on your skin, it's going to leave your skin feeling clean, refreshed, hydrated. This is the only product I obviously use because I created it, but also everything we do at Restore and at 80/20 Health is all about simplifying health and personal care. So I basically use one product for three things. I use it for my face, I use it for my scalp, and I use it as deodorant. Because what the apple cider vinegar does is it balances the pH levels of your skin, which are naturally acidic. And when it does that, you basically restore balance to this thing called the acid mantle, which is composed of sweat and oil, which acts as your skin's natural defense system. And it has three important functions. First, it's going to regulate your oil levels. It's gonna balance your moisture levels. And third, it's going to protect you from dirt, bacteria, and harmful pollution. It's been a while since I've talked about this stuff. Gotta pull from the memory bank. But basically that's how Restore works. Restore works by restoring pH balance, to restore the skin's defense system, to empower your skin to protect and heal itself naturally. So anyways, now that I'm done with my morning personal care routine, which is very quick and very simple and very easy, but very effective. Granted that I am a dude, I'm not a female. I don't have all these other things that I need to put on my face. Now I can get on with the rest of my day. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.